Sis, closets aren't just for storage anymore. And honestly, after seeing HGTV designer Tiffany Brooks show off her boutique style closet in our recent Three Sistahs SLAY video, I completely understand the assignment. And that's why today we're showing you three sisters that slayed closet spaces. One woman created a full glam closet retreat. Another sister turned a junk-filled storage closet into a moody little office. And finally, another one of our queens redesigned her granddaughter's closet so beautifully, she may have launched a whole new business. But along the way, we also found two women who reminded us that closets can tell deeper stories too. From healing journeys to simply creating calm, organized spaces that make life better. In the meantime, I'm Monique, creator of Mommy Room Redo, the channel that showcases Black women and their decor. And with that, let's get started. First up is Gwendolyn, and Miss Thing created a whole glam retreat. The hot pink chair, the zebra rug, the hats lined up across the shelving, the handbags, the jewelry, and bold pops of pink give this room serious boutique energy. And what makes this space stand out is that it feels personal. Gwendolyn said she wanted more than a place to store clothes. She wanted a peaceful space that reflected her creativity, style, and personality. And you can feel that all throughout the space. It's feminine, it's confident, and it feels like a place designed for joy. She also shared that the closet represents growth, self-care, and celebrating the life she's worked so hard to build. And that's what takes this from a pretty closet to something meaningful. And the fact that she mixed decor from Wayfair and Lowe's proves glamour doesn't have to come from luxury showrooms. It just takes vision. And that's why Gwendolyn's Glam Closet Retreat is a slay. Now sis, this next space right here is proof that you don't need a big house to create big style. South Carolina YouTuber Jamela of Thrift Style with Jamela is a northern girl with southern swirl. Jamela needed an office but didn't have the extra space. So she looked at a junk-filled storage closet and saw a possibility. And baby, she turned that tiny little space into a whole cloffice. The closet already had shelving, so Jamela removed one shelf, created a desktop workstation, and completely transformed the space. And that bold cheetah print, yep, she said she always wanted to use it, and so this would give the office the dramatic look it needed. The layered artwork, the gold shelving, the woven textures, the moody lighting. Every inch of this closet has personality. And what makes this transformation hit even harder is that Jamela thrifted most of the items to create her stylish Afro boho look. So this makeover was not about having a huge budget. It was about creativity. And that's why this closet turned office is a slay. If you haven't already, subscribe, y'all. We're on a mission to get 10,000 sisters strong over the next 6 months. So join our sisterhood and get the decor that counts. Now sis, this next makeover right here hits different because Cassandra didn't redesign her closet. She redesigned her granddaughter's closet. And honestly, that makes this whole transformation feel extra special. Cassandra is a self-taught interior designer with more than 20,000 followers. She says she finds joy in organizing, decorating, and cleaning. And baby, you can see it. This closet is clean, functional, colorful, and organized in a way that feels youthful and fun. The shoes line up perfectly. The clothing color coordinated. The shelving maximized from top to bottom. Even the little pops of pink and turquoise make the space feel happy. And what I love most is that this makeover feels thoughtful. It's not about showing off. It's about creating a beautiful little space for somebody she loves. And sis, let's talk about the fact that when Cassandra posted this, she said, "I need to create one more closet before I can feel like a professional." Meanwhile, the internet is probably saying, "Girl, you are already a professional," because this closet proves something important. You don't have to go to design school to have vision. You don't have to wait for permission to start creating. And I can absolutely see Cassandra turning this into a real live closet redo business. And that's why this closet makeover is a slay. And here's my bonus pick. While this next feature wasn't the biggest slay of the video, it's still important. And now I bring you Janelle. Now sis, Janelle didn't turn her spare bedroom into a closet. No ma'am. She turned it into a whole boutique. For 2 years, Janelle thought about this transformation. And then during COVID, she finally brought the vision to life. And baby, she's committed. Check out her style. Custom black closet sections, IKEA storage pieces, an IKEA desk, an Amazon rug, folded denim organized by color, beauty storage, a center island. This room feels less like a spare bedroom and more like a private shopping suite. But what makes this makeover really hit is the story behind it. When Janelle shared this on Facebook, some people criticized her for having too many clothes. But what they didn't understand is that Janelle had recently had gastric bypass surgery and thrifted across multiple clothing sizes during her journey. So, this wasn't just fashion storage. This was part of her transformation story. And honestly, I love that she refuses to apologize for it, because this space feels personal, lived in, loved. And let's be real, that wall of clothes, department store energy, and the fact that Janelle almost didn't post this makeover makes this slay even better. Because sis, I'm glad she did. This spare bedroom to closet redo is definitely a slay. Before we close, I'd like to leave you with your soft life moment. Sometimes the soft life is not about having the biggest closet or the most viral makeover, because Crystal actually told me that she didn't think her closet was all that. But sis, that's exactly the point. Not every space has to look like a social media showroom to have value. Crystal owns a boutique plus a style and image agency, so organization is important to both her lifestyle and her career. And you can see that reflected throughout her closet. Everything has a place. The shoes are lined up neatly. The clothing is color coordinated. The handbags are organized overhead. Nothing feels chaotic. It just feels calm. And what I love most is that her closet feels attainable. This is the kind of organization that reminds you that you don't have to aim for perfection to feel better. Because not every makeover has to scream. Some spaces whisper. And sometimes peace is the real glow up. So which of these ladies was your favorite? Well, put your response down in the comments. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. As a Redo Room Essentials member, you'll get early access to videos, member-only posts, and behind-the-scenes moments. And if you upgrade to Redo Room Prime, you'll get monthly Black decor hit lists, deeper dives, and content I don't share publicly. No pressure, just an option. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.